So you want to know, is an asbestos survey a legal requirement? Well, this video is going to give you the answer. Hi, I'm Ben James of Oracle Asbestos, and today I'm going to talk you through whether an asbestos survey is a legal requirement or not. Today we'll be discussing the legal requirements and regulations surrounding asbestos surveys. First, let's understand why asbestos is still a concern. Although asbestos was banned in the UK in 1999, many buildings built before this date still contain asbestos. Asbestos-containing materials, or ACMs, can be found in products such as lagging, texture coatings and insulating boards. Knowing whether asbestos is present in a building is crucial to protect the health of occupants and workers. Now let's look at the regulations that govern asbestos. The Control of Asbestos Regulations 2012, or CAR 2012, is the key piece of legislation. Regulation 4 of CAR 2012 details the duty to manage asbestos in non-domestic premises. This duty applies to owners, employers and anyone responsible for maintaining or repairing a building. The duty holder must take responsible steps to identify ACMs, record their condition and assess the risk of exposure. So is an asbestos survey mandatory? The law does not explicitly require a survey, but it does require a suitable and sufficient assessment. This assessment often necessitates a survey to gather the necessary information. Without a survey, it's difficult to safely and accurately identify ACMs and assess risks. Therefore, in practice, an asbestos survey is essentially mandatory to comply with CAR 2012. What constitutes a suitable and sufficient assessment? Well, CAR 2012 requires a thorough inspection of the premises to identify ACMs. The approved Code of Practices states that all reasonable, accessible areas must be checked. This inspection will usually take the form of a survey. So when is an asbestos survey not required? Well, if a building was constructed after 2000, it is unlikely to contain asbestos. And if building plans and a thorough inspection show no ACMs, a survey may not be needed. In such cases, strong evidence must be provided to prove the absence of asbestos. Does the duty apply to domestic premises? Regulation 4 applies to non-domestic premises, but it can also apply to the common part of multi-occupancy domestic buildings. Examples include foyers, corridors, staircases and lifts in buildings like flats. Who are duty holders and what are their requirements? A duty holder is the person responsible for managing asbestos in a building. They must identify ACMs, presume materials contain asbestos unless proven otherwise, and keep records updated. The duty holder must also assess risks, develop a management plan, and inform relevant persons about ACMs. Failure to comply with the law can result in heavy fines or imprisonment. Penalties for non-compliance include fines up to £20,000 or 6 months in prison. Serious breaches can lead up to unlimited fines and up to 2 years imprisonment. Ensuring compliance with asbestos regulations is essential for legal and safety reasons. This video has given you a brief introduction to the topic of whether an asbestos survey is a legal requirement or not. For more detailed information, please visit our website where you can find the full article on this subject. If you need further assistance or have any questions about asbestos, please reach out to a member of the Oracle team. We're here to help you and ensure safety and compliance in your building. You can find our contact details on the website www.oracleasbestos.com. Thank you for watching.